So, traders, if you are looking to master the art of forex trading, and if you are looking to be a professional trader from where you are, then I guess you've came to the right video, because on today's video, it will not be only a weekly update based on how the markets have been looking, but I will be breaking down to you guys how the markets have been looking and what potential directions we might get from how the markets have been looking. So based on what I'm about to educate you guys, or before we start the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And as all you guys are all aware that we're trading with the best and safest broker, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend, so you can trade on a safe platform, a legit platform, and far most importantly, have your funds safe and ready for trading or for investing. So if you're looking for an in-person mentorship course, COT Academy has a 2-day mentorship course where I'll be coming to you guys, teaching you guys, educating you guys, and taking you from beginner, intermediate, all the way to professional, taking baby steps so we can get to the greatness. If you're looking to capitalize on it, I've left my number, my Instagram link, and my Telegram link. You choose which you want to communicate with me so I can come to you, give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need so you can unleash the potential and the greatness that you carry as a forex trader. But without further ado, let me share to you guys how the markets have been looking and what we might look forward into capitalizing from. And first pair that we're going to be starting on will forever be the Nas. And on the Nasdaq, you guys can clearly see that we have marked out this resistance. So from our previous video, you can go check it out if you haven't watched it. We have marked out this resistance based on us having to understand that price at this all-time high, right? And price had reactions before price gave us a breakout and a retest that continued to the upside and gave us this all-time high, right? So as you now can clearly see that price came back to our very same zone and gave us a reaction to the upside. All we're now going to be focusing on, because price also already gave us what we were looking for, a break and retest and a continuation to the upside, but unfortunately price gave us a deeper pullback coming back to our very same zone. Our focus will be very simple looking forward from where the markets are. One of the main reasons are price has already gave us a reaction to our very same zone. All we now can focus on is to look forward for those continuations to the upside until we can clearly see what might happen from where price is. Are we going to get a violation of this all-time high in anticipation of further continuations or possible new all-time highs to the upside? So Nasdaq will be very simple. If price will give us a reaction of those very same zone, a break above of this very same zone, then that's what we're going to be focusing on, a simple break and retest, looking for possible new all-time highs. But if price will give us a break below our resistance, then I guess we're going to look for those reversals to the downside, and that's all that we're going to be focusing on. So as I share this to you guys, I want you guys to understand that we are going to be playing the waiting game, and we are going to be waiting for the markets to print out what we traders have to react from. So without further ado, second pair, which is gold. And as you guys can clearly see for yourselves, gold is holding a safe haven on our new all-time high, which is on 40.46. Price is very far, price is very high, and gold is very expensive, and China is still keeping gold in their reserves, which is making it more and more expensive and more valuable than the United States dollar. Let me break down to you guys what am I talking about. So as you guys can clearly understand that on our previous video, we had an anticipation that prices gave us this intraday resistance, as you guys can clearly see it, and market open gave us a break above in anticipation of that continuation to the upside of new possible all-time highs. So as you can clearly see that gold is holding a safe haven. This clearly makes you guys understand that gold has more strength than the dollar, because as your stocks plunge, as your stocks surge to the upside, as gold surges to the upside, that makes gold more valuable, and the more gold plunges to the downside, that makes the United States dollar more valuable. So as you guys can clearly understand that this is some type of ripple effect. This is based on you having to understand your basics in forex, and if you're looking to learn this and master this concretely, then I guess you're gonna take my number, text me, give me a call, so I can come to you for 2 days and give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need, because we are about to blow up and explode to the upside. So making you guys understand that the more price surges to the upside, the more strength the dollar gets. The more price plunges to the downside, the more strength the United States dollar gets. And in this instance, you can clearly see that price of gold is now on 40.46, which makes it more equivalent into you guys, making you understand that price of gold is expensive and gold is still more valuable than the United States dollar. So all I can now say is, from every push to the upside, there has to be an exhaustion phase, a pullback, or a range before price can go out, give you those continuations to the upside. And that's all we're going to be focusing on, because price is bullish, structure is bullish, behavior is bullish, and our patterns are also bullish. All we're now focusing on is for a deeper pullback or an exhaustion phase, so we can look for those continuations to the upside. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USDCAD, which is somehow my favorite pair in 2025, right? So USDCAD, we did live in anticipation that there's only 2 things that we're going to be focusing on: a break to the upside for possible highs, and a break to the downside for possible reversals. If we don't get that, then I guess we're gonna still wait and see until price gives us what we're looking for. And as you can clearly see, USDCAD since has been holding a range, and price is still on a range. All we're now focusing on is to see what is price gonna do. Are we gonna get a break above in anticipation of possible new highs, or that break below in anticipation of that reversal to the downside? And that's what we're gonna be focusing on. So that's how we're gonna be living it for now, and that's what we're gonna be focusing on from now on our 3 trading pairs that we're always working on. If you find it hard, or if you didn't understand what I shared to you, but I believe that no one might go out with no knowledge and no experience from what I've shared, but if you still find it very hard, then I guess you're gonna give me a comment section. Just comment hard so I can know what you're looking for. Or if you're looking for our in-person mentorship course to inquire or to book your sport, then you're gonna comment P, so we can know what you're looking for and what assistance are you looking for. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem, King COT, and I might get you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.